Tired of seeing this dreaded screen in the middle of a winning streak? Let's fix that. First, make sure you're actually connected to the internet. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength, or try switching to mobile data if your Wi-Fi is weak. If you're connected, try disconnecting and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. Sometimes a simple reset is all you need. Next, clear the cache for 8-ball pool. Go to your phone's settings, find apps or application manager, then locate 8-ball pool. Tap clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the connection issues. Don't worry, this won't delete your progress. Make sure you're running the latest version of 8-ball pool. Head to the App Store and check for any available updates. If none of those work, try restarting your phone. A simple reboot can often resolve underlying network problems. Finally, if the problem persists, the 8-ball pool servers might be down. Check online forums or social media to see if other players are experiencing the same issue. If so, all you can do is wait it out. Now get back to winning.